Creating a pallet coffee table with secret storage is an inspiring project that not only enhances the functionality of your living space, but also adds a unique touch of warmth and character to your modern home. In an era where minimalism often dominates design trends, incorporating a piece that marries practicality with creativity can transform the atmosphere of your living area. The allure of a pallet coffee table lies in its rustic charm, versatile nature, and the opportunity it presents for personalization. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of easy and stylish pallet coffee table with secret storage for enhancing the warmth and character of modern home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Pallets, often associated with industrial settings, have emerged as a popular material in contemporary home decor. Their raw, unfinished look brings a sense of authenticity and warmth to modern interiors, which can sometimes feel overly polished or sterile. When crafted into a coffee table, pallets introduce a tactile element that invites interaction. The natural textures of the wood, combined with the character of the pallet's history, offer visual interest that enhances the overall aesthetic of the room. The process of creating a pallet coffee table is an exciting venture that allows for creativity and personal expression. While the basic structure can be relatively straightforward, the design possibilities are vast. You can choose to leave the wood in its natural state, embracing the imperfections and unique features that make each pallet distinct, or you can sand and stain it to achieve a more refined look. This flexibility means that your coffee table can seamlessly integrate into a variety of design styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalist. One of the most appealing aspects of a pallet coffee table is the option for secret storage. In modern homes, where space is often at a premium, maximizing functionality is key. By incorporating hidden compartments, you create a multifunctional piece that not only serves as a surface for drinks and decor, but also offers a discrete space for storing items like blankets, magazines, or remote controls. This clever use of space aligns perfectly with contemporary design principles that prioritize both aesthetics and practicality. The allure of secret storage goes beyond mere functionality. It also contributes to a sense of organization and tranquility in your living space. In a world where clutter can quickly accumulate, having designated spots to stow away items helps maintain a clean and inviting environment. When guests come over, a tidy coffee table creates an atmosphere of calm and sophistication, allowing the focus to remain on the conversation and enjoyment of the moment. Building a pallet coffee table with secret storage also provides an opportunity to engage in a rewarding DIY project. The act of creating something with your own hands fosters a sense of achievement and connection to your home. As you work on the table, you invest time and effort into crafting a piece that not only fits your needs, but also reflects your personal style. This process can be therapeutic, offering a chance to slow down and focus on the task at hand while expressing your creativity. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Incorporating design elements that resonate with your personal taste can further enhance the character of your pallet coffee table. Consider adding unique hardware, such as vintage-style handles for the storage compartments or decorative accents that speak to your aesthetic. You might choose to paint the table in a bold color to make it a statement piece, or you could opt for a more subdued finish that complements your existing decor. These personal touches transform a simple palette into a bespoke piece that tells a story and adds depth to your interior design. The versatility of a pallet coffee table extends beyond its appearance and storage capabilities. Its robust construction makes it suitable for various settings, whether in a cozy living room, a spacious family area, or even a modern outdoor space. By adapting the design to suit different environments, you can create a cohesive look throughout your home, further enhancing the warmth and character of your living spaces. Moreover, the eco-friendly aspect of using reclaimed pallets resonates strongly with today's conscious consumers. As sustainability becomes increasingly important in design and lifestyle choices, repurposing materials like pallets reflects a commitment to environmental responsibility. By choosing to create a coffee table from reclaimed wood, you not only reduce waste, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. This approach adds an additional layer of meaning to your decor, as each piece becomes a symbol of thoughtful living. The relationship between furniture and the emotions it evokes cannot be understated. A well-crafted pallet coffee table can become a gathering place for friends and family, a central hub for social interaction and shared experiences. It invites conversations, laughter, and connection, fostering a sense of belonging within your home. The warmth of the wood, coupled with the table's practical design, creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages people to come together, relax, and enjoy each other's company. In addition to its social role, a pallet coffee table can also serve as a canvas for seasonal decor. Its neutral tones and natural textures provide a perfect backdrop for displaying plants, candles, books, or seasonal decorations. By changing the decor atop the table with the seasons or holidays, you can keep your living space feeling fresh and vibrant. This adaptability ensures that your coffee table remains a focal point in the room, continuously contributing to the overall aesthetic of your home. As you consider incorporating a pallet coffee table with secret storage into your living space, think about the broader narrative it creates. Each time you gather around the table, you engage in a ritual that reinforces the importance of connection and community. The table becomes a witness to everyday moments, coffee shared in the morning, games played on lazy afternoons, or heartfelt conversations in the evening. These experiences are what make a house feel like a home, and a thoughtfully designed coffee table plays a pivotal role in that transformation. The power of creating a stylish pallet coffee table with secret storage lies in its ability to enhance both the functionality and emotional resonance of your living space. By blending practicality with creativity, you craft a piece that reflects your personal style while serving as a functional element in your home. The warmth and character that a pallet coffee table brings to modern decor create an inviting atmosphere, encouraging connection and fostering cherished memories. In a pallet coffee table with secret storage is much more than just a piece of furniture. It is an embodiment of creativity, sustainability, and the power of connection. By embracing the charm of reclaimed wood and personalizing the design, you can create a unique centerpiece for your living space that enhances its warmth and character. As you gather around this table, you not only enjoy its practical benefits, but also celebrate the moments and memories that make your house a home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy and stylish pallet coffee table with secret storage for enhancing the warmth and character of modern home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end.